Bird of paradise. Start in mountain pose, feet hip width apart. Take a deep inhale, bend your knees, sink your hips, reach your hands up, chair pose. Exhale, bring your right hand behind your low back. Take your left hand underneath your left thigh and reach for your fingertips, or maybe take the left hand, grab the right ankle. Feel grounded through all four corners of your right foot. Take a deep breath in and exhale as you shift your weight to your right foot. Lift the left leg up, and if you can, try to straighten that left leg. Now we'll try bird of paradise on the right side. Inhale, bend the knees, sink the hips, reach the hands up to a chair pose. Exhale, bring the back of your left hand to your low back. Take your right arm underneath your right thigh, then reach your right hand towards your left hand. Grab your fingers or your wrist. Shift your weight to your left foot. So we're lifting up the right leg. Feel grounded through all four corners of your left foot. Use your breath. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Lift that right leg up. Maybe straighten the right leg. So the most important thing in balance poses like bird of paradise is to find a focal point to gaze at. Focus your eyes there. That's your drishti. And as you steady your gaze, steady your breath, steady your mind, you'll be able to achieve balance in these poses.